Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com and KingstonSandblasting.com. In a previous video, we were sharing with you these alloy wheels. These are an older Ford wheel. In the previous video, they were all pitted, and we had a brief discussion about what we're going to do with them. So now this is one that the face has been media blasted or sandblasted. So we have all of the nooks and crannies done. There's little pockets, so it's a little bit trickier to do some of the different styled wheels. So basically what we've done now, oh, camera person's ahead of ourselves. You gotta stay back on this one because this is different. So this rim is all media blasted. So we have the automotive clear coat removed. We have the color or the silver gray removed, and we also have the primer. So now that all of those layers are gone, we blew it off, we hung it in the oven, so we have our big oven for powder coating, and we gassed these off for about 45 minutes at 375 degrees. So now all of the chemicals and gases are out of the alloy wheel, and then once they cool, then this is what our camera person was trying to show you, is this is a special etch primer. So this is a step that's very important when we're using our textured material or our bedliner material. So what you need to do after the pores have been opened up and the gases are removed, there's a special etch primer you use. It's quite expensive, but it's crucial that you do it because you have to seal the pores of the alloy wheel with this etch primer. So now that we have it etched, then the next thing we're going to do is we just kind of go over to this next table, and John has kind of prepped it even further. So now we have the etch primer dried, and we have some masking here. Because we need to make sure, because we're doing a different kind of material, with powder coating, we typically powder coat all the way to the inside of the rim where the tire rests against it. But with this textured material, the bedliner material, we don't want that to be in the way of sealing the rubber properly. So we've got this all masked off. We're going to apply masking paper around the center of it, and then this wheel will be ready for the actual bedliner application. So in our next video, what we'll do is we'll share with you what it looks like with our black textured bedliner coating, just to give it a little bit different look. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.